Hey friends, this is Adi for Well and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. As last month I posted few ideas on Theta fuel and Theta coin as well, that both tokens and coins are forming different harmonic moves, and soon they will be entered in the potential reversal zone and they will produce some certain targets as I defined as per Fibonacci sequence of those harmonic moves. First of all, let me to show you the T fuel idea. This is the T fuel with Bitcoin pair. Then I'll also show you the T fuel with US dollar pair as well. And at that time when I posted this idea on 31st of May, the price action of T fuel was completing the final leg of this bullish bad pattern. And as I predicted, the price action entered in this potential reversal zone and bounced from this potential reversal zone and already has hit at this sell zone. That is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And this is the T fuel with US dollar pair. And same as like that, it was also completing the final leg of the bullish bad pattern on the 12-hour chart. And as per prediction, the price action completed the final leg of this bullish bad and entered in this potential reversal zone, took another powerful bullish divergence and entered in this sell zone. At this time, the price action is again moving above this potential reversal zone, even though I am expecting that the price action will be entered again in this potential reversal zone. However, this trade has been executed as per plan. Definitely soon I will post more update on the T fuel as well, if there will be more updates by the price action of T fuel. At this time, I'm expecting that the price action will be again entered in the Fibonacci sell zone, Fibonacci projection of A to D, like that I have defined as a sell zone here. Now let me just show you the T fuel, the Theta with US dollar pair. And this was the idea I posted on 31st of May. And on this chart, you can see that on 6-hour chart, the price action was completing the final leg of the bullish shark pattern. Here, I just ignored some extra spike as all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish shark. This was the initial leg. Then A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection. And this is the projection of A to B leg. Then the final leg was supposed to be retraced here. That is from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. And now I'm just going to play this chart. And you can see that the price action has completed the final leg and entered in this potential reversal zone. At this time, the price action is moving above the potential reversal zone, and this is our sell zone that starts from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. And this is the projection because this is the bullish shark pattern. Therefore, we have this projection of C to D leg. Now let's take a look at the Theta with Bitcoin pair, and I posted that idea on 31st of May. And this was the idea with Bitcoin pair. At that time, the price action was same as like the Theta with US dollar pair. With Bitcoin pair, the price action was also completing the final leg of the bullish shark on the 6-hour chart. And same as like the Theta with US dollar pair, the price action is entered and has completed this final leg of this bullish shark pattern. And at this time, the price action is moving above this potential reversal zone and moving toward this potential sell zone or Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, in this video, I'm going to cover the Theta with US dollar pair, and definitely in next video, I will also try to cover the Theta with Bitcoin pair and the T fuel as well. Now, if we want the Theta with US dollar pair on this daily live chart, then the price action has formed a down channel, and at this time the price action is likely to break out the resistance of the channel. We have a very good formation of this down channel, and it is moving very well between this channel, moving downward and upward and hitting the support and resistance, and at this time, after getting down from the support, the price action is likely to break out the resistance of this channel very soon. But this breakout is not confirmed unless the price action or this candlestick will be not completely opened and closed above this resistance of the channel. I'm expecting that the next candlestick will be completely opened and closed above this resistance of the channel. And if I place the moon phases indicator, that is really very good indicator to determine whether the price action will break out or break down the channel support whenever you find any down or up channel or parallel channel as well. At this time you can see that this is the dark moon and this is the full moon, and the new full moon was appeared above the support, above this resistance of the channel, and that was giving us a clear indication that the price action can move up to this level. Therefore we can expect that the price action can move up to this level, and in order to move up to this level, definitely the price action will need to break out the resistance of this channel. And we are having this dark moon, this bearish moon at the support of the channel, that is giving us the indication that it will be difficult for the price line to cross down this level. Therefore it will be really very difficult for the price action to break down the support of the channel. And if we watch the different exponential moving averages with the time period of 10, this blue one is the 10 and this red one is the 21 as exponential moving averages, and the price action is likely to break out these two moving averages as well, like it is breaking out this resistance of the channel. And if we watch the different simple moving averages on this daily chart with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200, then the price action just broke down previously the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, and it was moving sideways between 25 and 100 simple moving averages. At this time the price action has again broken out this 25 simple moving average, and at this time it is struggling to break out this 50 simple moving average as well. And we have a very strong bullish candlestick appeared at this time. Therefore it seems to be that it will be easy for the price line to break out this 50 simple moving average again. And after breaking out the 50 simple moving average by the price action, we can expect that the 25 simple moving average will be crossed up the 50 simple moving average again. And after this cross or this bull cross between these two moving averages, we can expect a complete opened alligator mouth will be formed, because for the opened alligator mouth we need the smallest time period moving average above all, then we should have the bigger one, then we will have the 100 and the biggest time period moving average, that is with the time period of 200. This yellow one will be below all the other moving averages. Then a complete opened alligator mouth will be formed by the simple moving averages, and that will be a really very powerful signal like we had here back on 12th of May, or maybe before that on 9th of May, like we had the 25 simple moving average, then 50, then 100, and then we had the 200 simple moving average below all the moving averages on 15th of May. In fact, this was the time when this open alligator mouth was formed, and this alligator mouth lifted the price action up, and the price action turned very strong bullish and moved up in a parabolic way. So we can expect such move again, or at least we can expect a bullish reversal by the price action. And now if we watch this long-term weekly chart, then the price action is again turning bullish, as this is the first green bullish candlestick is getting appeared on this weekly chart. And we can see that this Ichimoku cloud was already turned bullish, but this lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud was moving down. At this time it is again moving up. So this is another bullish signal that the candlesticks and the price action is moving up again. And we can also see that this conversion line is already above this baseline. This conversion line is the bullish line, and this baseline is the bearish line. If this conversion line is above the baseline, so this is another very powerful bullish signal. And the price action, we can expect that it will be moved at least up to this baseline where we already have this bullish cloud as well. So because this Ichimoku cloud in itself is a very strong resistance for the price line. So we can expect a move up to this level if there will be a possible bullish reversal. And if we want to set any stop loss, then we should set this potential reversals on as our stop loss. Like for example, if we want the theta, this is the theta with Bitcoin pair. If we want to set the stop loss in with the Bitcoin pair, then our stop loss should be at 1555 satoshis. And if we want to set the theta with US dollar pair stop loss, then our stop loss should be at the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, that is at 14.40 cents. So this should be our stop loss, and at the same level we also have the 200 simple moving average on the daily chart. So this is really very strong support for the price action. It will be really very difficult for the price action to cross down or break down this level. Therefore, this should be our stop loss. If it will be broken down, then the price action can move more down to form some other pattern. Therefore, we should use this level as our stop loss if a complete candlestick will be completely open and closed below this level. So this was the update so far by the Theta with US dollar pair, and somehow with the Theta with Bitcoin pair as well. In next videos, I will also post the updates on the Theta with Bitcoin pair in detail, and the tfuel, the Theta fuel with Bitcoin and with US dollar pairs as well. Take care. Goodbye.